Prepsters, I know you thought you had a day without Miss Steinecker, but no worries. In case you missed my beautiful voice, I'm still here to walk you through some of the problems. Sorry if this is a little shaky, bear with me. Today we're learning about box and whisker plots. Go ahead and label that on the top, just like Miss Steinecker has right here, box and whisker plot. This is a way to display data and put it into groups. A box and whisker plot always has 5 dots that represent 5 values in my data. The first one we're going to label lowest value. This is the smallest number in my data set. Here I notice that my lowest value is 60. So my lowest data point is 60. Next I have the lower quartile or Q1. Go ahead and label that Q1 on your paper. The lower quartile divides this into quarters. So this is 25% of my data. We'll get more into that later. But for right now, this is Q1. I see Q1 is at 72.5. I'm going to estimate. Next, I have the median. That's the middle of my data. Here I see my median is about 80 or 81. Every single time, my middle dot in the middle of that box always represents my median. Then I have my upper quartile or Q3. This divides the upper half into 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. My Q3 value here is 90. My final dot shows the highest value. That's the greatest value in a set of data. So I'm going to label this one highest value. Highest value. And I notice the highest value in my data set is, it looks like at about 100. So I'm going to label my highest value as 100. I can look at each of these. If I want to tell the median, I always look at my middle dot. Here my median is 81. If I want the highest value, I always look at the final dot. It's 100.